I saw an anime waifu playing facades with a mallet in her hand, walking through the house before she went insane. Then I saw her dance and I became a fan. Then I knew I couldn't stop saying her name. Ah, ooh, Silvervale is stunning. Ah, ooh. Ah, ooh, Silvervale is stunning. Ah, ooh. I heard her howling around your kitchen stove. She's cooking, I can't explain. Saw Lucas late last night. Silvervale is stunning again. Ah, ooh, Silvervale is stunning. Ah, ooh. Ah, ooh, Silvervale is stunning. Ah, ooh. Just when I wanted to stay, she turned into yandere. Lately I've been listening to her song, Home. She's not a fairy, it's true, but still the sweetest waifu. Huh, why would the chat ever leave her alone? Ah, ooh, Silvervale is stunning. Ah, ooh. Ah, ooh, Silvervale is stunning. Ah, ooh. Well, I saw her playing pirate out playing Sea of Thieves, 'cause Silvervale is stunning. I saw Little Nightmares and the gnome she grieves, ha! 'Cause Silvervale is stunning. She built a base and survived the ocean in Subnautica, and her game was perfect. Yeah! Ah, ooh, Silvervale is stunning. Yeah! The blues, ah, ooh, Silvervale is stunning.